India today offers a unique opportunity in defense and aerospace manufacturing. We have taken many steps to strengthen our security apparatus recently. Domestic manufacturing of bigger and complex defense platforms has now become the focus of our policy under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. We plan to spend $130 billion on military modernization in the next 7 to 8 years. We are encouraging foreign OEMs to set up wholly owned subsidiaries or enter into strategic partnership with the Indian companies. This event would provide the participating nations and industries a platform towards forging such collaborations in the aerospace and defense sector. Since 2014, the Government of India has brought in many reforms in defense sector. Over the years, the Government of India has facilitated establishment of wide-ranging production facilities of various defense equipment through defense public sector undertakings and ordnance factories. India is one of the fastest growing civil aviation markets in the world. With rising passenger and cargo traffic demand for aircrafts and the related supply chain is increasing. Friends, India therefore holds a huge potential for investments in the aerospace sector, particularly in manufacturing of aero engines and sub-assemblies, as well as in the maintenance, repair and overhaul of aircrafts. I am very happy that HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, has got the orders of development of 53 new indigenous light combat aircraft, Tejas Mark 1A, from Indian Air Force, valued at the more than rupees 48,000 crores. It is probably the biggest Make in India defense contract till date. India has developed 2 defense industrial corridors in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, and these corridors leverage the existing manufacturing ecosystem in the state.